atomic structure unit, we take the topic orbital. The orbital is the space around the nucleus where the possibility or probability of finding an electron is maximum. The space in which there is maximum probability of finding an electron is maximum is known as orbital. It is called orbital. After this, we see the types of orbital. There are 4 types of orbitals. We classified orbital into 4 types. First is s orbitals, second p orbital, third d orbitals, and fourth one is f orbital. So first, one by one we see. So first again repeat the definition. The space around the nucleus in which there is maximum probability of finding an electron is maximum are known as orbital, and we classified the orbital into 4 types: s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, and f orbital. Now we see one by one. First we see what is s orbital. S orbital. First one is s orbital. All the s orbital are spherical in shape. They are spherical in nature or spherical in shape. So they are spherical in shape. That means they are non-directional in nature, having no direction, non-directional in nature. Their shape is the spherical shape. There is center, and outside the possibility of electron is maximum. Maximum electron possibility, whereas in center is 0. So all the s orbital are spherical in nature or spherical in shape. They are non-directional in nature, and there is 0 probability of finding the electron in center, whereas maximum is outside. And maximum number of electrons in s orbital, maximum number of electron present in s orbital, present in s orbital is 2 electrons. Maximum electron present in s orbital will be 2. So first is s orbital, spherical shape, non-directional nature, and maximum number of electrons present in s orbital will be 2 electrons. Second one is p orbital. Second will be p orbitals. P orbitals having dumbbell in shape. They are dumbbell in shape, which contains 2 lobes and 1 node. Their shape will be dumbbell shape. This type is dumbbell shape. These are known as lobes, and center is known as node. So p orbitals having dumbbell shape contains the 2 lobes and the 1 node. Now further, p orbital is subdivided into 3 types. They are subdivided into 3 types. 3 types depending upon the type of axis. Generally we consider 3 axes: x, y, and z. This type we consider the axis. First is called px orbital. First one is px orbital. Px orbital, if the p orbital present in x direction or x axis, it is the x axis. Present in x axis, remaining axis is z and y. So they are called px orbital. Second one is py orbital. If your p orbital present in which axis? Y axis. These are the y-axis. So they are called py orbital. And third one is the pz orbital. So p orbital present in z direction. It is the direction. Remaining axis is x and y. So they are called pz orbital. So p orbital we subdivided into three types: px, py, pz. If p orbital present in x-axis, we call px. Present in y direction, py. Present in z direction, pz. And each orbital contains maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin. So total number of electrons in p orbital will be 6. Maximum number of electrons in p orbital, maximum number of electrons in p orbital is 1 to 6. S contain maximum 2 electrons and p orbital contain maximum electron 1 to 6. So these are the p orbital. After p orbital, we see d orbitals. P orbital dumbbell shape, and your d orbitals are double dumbbell in shape. Third is d orbitals. D orbital having double dumbbell in shape. Double dumbbell in shape. They are double dumbbell in shape, contain 4 lobes and 2 nodes. Containing the 4 lobes and 2 nodes. They are further subdivided into 5 types. Further we subdivide into 5 types. And each orbital contains maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin. One is clockwise and another is anti-clockwise. So they are 5 types. So maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons in d orbital is 1 to 10. They contain the maximum electron will be 1 to 10. Now we see the 5 types. First is called dxy. Axis will be same, we classified x, y and z, x, y and z. First is dxy. One d orbital present in x-axis and other d orbital present in y-axis. They are called dxy. Secondly is dyz. If one d orbital present in z direction, another present in y direction, they are called dyz. Third is dxz. One d orbital present in x direction, another present in z direction, and remaining axis is the y. So first 3 types dxy, one present in x direction, another present in y direction. That's why they are called dxy. Second dyz, one x present in y direction, another is the z direction. Third dxz, one d orbital present in x direction, another present in z direction. All having the same energy. And after this, fourth one is dx square y square. Dx square and y square. One d orbital present in x-axis, remaining is z. Another present in y, and there is a square. So we bisect this way, we show the square. So it is dx square y square. And fifth is dz square. Dz square. One d orbital present in z direction and another d orbital present in the form of ring around the node. So this is called dz square. So d orbital we classify into 5 types: dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y square, and dz square. having the double shape and 2 nodes, and maximum electrons present in d orbital is 1 to 10. So these are the d orbital. After this, last one is the f orbital. Fourth one is f orbital. F orbital having the complex structure. They have complex structure because they are made up of 8 lobes and 4 nodes. They contain the 8 lobes and 4 nodes, and they subdivided into 7 types. Types not in your syllabus, but they subdivided into 7 types. That's why they contain the maximum number of electron is 1 to 14. So these are the f orbital having the complex structure because they contain the 8 lobes and 4 nodes, and they subdivide into 7 types. Therefore, maximum number of electrons in these orbital will be 1 to 14. So these are the orbital. Orbital is the space around the nucleus where the possibility of finding the electron is maximum, and we learn types: s orbital, p orbital, d and f orbital. So first we see the shape: spherical, p orbital, dumbbell, double dumbbell, f orbital shape will be complex nature, non-directional, and all these are the directional, present on different axes, directional nature. Types: only single types, one type, that is p orbital we divide into 3 types: px, py, pz, right? D orbital we divide into 5 types. F orbital we divide into 7 types. Number of electrons present in these orbital: s orbital contain maximum 2 electron, p orbital having 6 electron, d 10, and f orbital will be 14. So it is the conclusion of orbitals. You learn this is the conclusion of orbital.